Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI B.Stat question paper of year 2016. Today we'll be solving question number 7 from the paper. Now it has been given that let Z1 be the complex number 3 plus 4i. Now if Z2 is a complex number such that mod of Z2 is equal to 2, then the greatest and least values of mod of Z1 minus Z2 are respectively 7 and 3, option A, option B is 5 and 1, option C is 9 and 5, and option D is 4 plus 7 and root 7. So what we have been given, let us will draw in on an Argand plane on a graph. So if this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So what we have been given is that we have been given that mod of Z2 is equal to 2. So basically the radius of a circle, of any circle, we can depict Z2 by the circumference of a circle which is having radius 2. So if this is the circle, so mod of Z2 is basically represented by this circle. Okay, this is the circle. Now we have been given the other point, which is Z1 is equal to 3 plus 4i. Now 3 plus 4i is basically the point. This is the point 1, 2, 3. This is the point. This is the point Z1, and this is Z2. This is Z2 and this is Z1. Okay, so now we need to find the maximum value of Z1 minus Z2. So to find the maximum value of this thing, we need to basically draw a diameter. We need to basically draw a line through Z1, which also passes through the origin, and we'll see what can happen. So now we draw a line from Z1 which passes the origin, and therefore we see that this line intersects Z2 equal to 2 at 2 points. Let this be point A and this be point B. So for maximum, so this is the point 3, 4. So the least value of mod of Z1 minus Z2 will be given by the distance of Z1 from A. This will be the distance of Z1 from point A for this minimum value, and for the maximum value Z1 minus Z2 maximum is equal to the distance of Z1 from point B. So on the diametrical, so the line which passes through Z1, we get a diagonal, and the point on that diagonal which is nearest to Z1 gives us the least value, and the point on the diagonal which is farthest from Z1 gives us the maximum value. This is what the basic concept is. So what we have to now do, we'll find out the equation of a line which passes through 3, 4 and origin. So basically this will give us y minus 0 is equal to 4 by 0 upon 3 minus 0 by x minus 0. So this will give us that the diagonal equation of the diagonal is 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is the equation of this line. So this line is basically 4x minus thrice y is equal to 0. Okay? This is the line. And we also know that the radius, the radius is given by 2. The radius is here, it is 2, and here it is 2. So the maximum distance that can be possible is, now the total distance over here is equal to 5. This is equal to the distance of the point 3, 4 from the origin is root over 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 5. So Z1 minus Z2 maximum will be 5 plus 2, that is 5 plus 2, that will be equal to 7, and the least value will be equal to Z1 minus Z2 mean will be equal to 5. This is the 5 area. 5 minus 2, that will be equal to 3. So the correct options are option A, 7 and 3. So today we have solved question number 7 from the ISI B.Stat question paper of year 2016. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.